Everybody knows Menards saves you big money. Well, today we're going to be saving Menards some big money by helping them out with their concrete repairs along their building. Along with that, we're saving them big time. Stay tuned and see how we do it. Big box retailers such as Menards have hundreds of customers walking in and out of their store every single day. So making sure that their concrete is safe is a high priority. Now Menards call this out because unfortunately that's not the case right now. They have some serious settlement that's happening along their curb that stretches all along their building. As you can see right here, there's a good 1.5 inch drop from the sidewalk to the curb. This is a great place for a customer or employee to catch their foot when they're walking, and this opens up Menards to some serious liability. So addressing this is kind of top on their list of repairs, and they call this out to fix this. And some of their main concerns is, number one, they want a fast repair. They can't close down their store to do this. Number two, it has to be cost effective as well. So luckily we have a solution that fits all that. Stay tuned and check it out. All right, so on this project, we're polylifting. PolyLift uses high-density polyurethane foam, which I have here in my hand. Now, there's a couple big reasons why we use foam rather than using a sand slurry mix that you would see with mudjacking. Number one, foam does not break down like the mudjacking material will. Okay, this polymer is designed to be in the ground. It's designed to withstand harsh conditions. It will not wash away or shrink or crumble like a sand and cement slurry will. So very, very long lasting material. Number two, it's super light, light as a feather. So we're not putting excess weight on top of that sub base, which can cause it to resettle. Number three, this is injected as a liquid. So the holes are very small, size of a dime. So when we're done, it's very unnoticeable. So PolyLift is the way to go when you're lifting concrete. All right, our guys are just wrapping up the project now. I think everything turned out exactly how we wanted it to. Now, they got this done in less than a day, okay? There was a lot of sidewalk here that needed to be lifted. We started early in the morning, and the traffic is very minimal. There was no disruption to operations, no inconvenience for customers or employees, and sidewalks are back to where they need to be. They are safe. We even caulked between the sidewalk and the curb to prevent water from getting in there, which can cause it to resettle. Super clean project, very little noise. Definitely saved them some big money by going the lifting route versus replacement. So yeah, huge success. Very happy with the results. Customers happy, I'm happy. Time to move on to the next project.